Hi, here I'm just trying that how much ChatGPT agent can help me in doing something which I do quite often. And let's see if it can help me in making some strategic decisions. So I'm preparing a prompt first. And once the prompt is ready, then I will use the GPT agent and probably will get something which I can present to my stakeholders and probably we can make decision out of that. Before directly jumping into the GPT agent, what I am doing is I am drafting something to create a good prompt. So I want to create prompt using ChatGPT, which I can give to GPT agent. So I am explaining my intention. I want to create a prompt for the agent to help me in making market research based on state of agile AI education for project managers, program manager, business analysts, Scrum Masters working in the IT industry. I need a prompt which can help me in telling GPT agent about my goal, presenting the report to the management, what I wish to do. My goal is understand what market product offering we can bring on AI education space to our customer base. And then I'm explaining it, and I want to do some quantification of market size, focusing on India, US, and Canada. Sizing can be done based on number of people, amount of money they are expected to spend on these program. I want to understand who are doing the program and how much success they are getting, finding who are doing possibly by checking and giving some indication. Finding who are doing can be done by checking the schedule, but who are doing with success only can be forecasted based on social media signals like Reddit and LinkedIn, where people speak what they got something out of it. We want to focus on certification program also the awareness program. I need to forecast demand based on what kind of certificate programs are asked in the job description. And again, we can look at the job site where positions are published. We need to put some quantifier data for the same. I can summarize it here that we are looking for usually the target geography is India, US, and Canada. Let's just as a focus I am putting in. Let's see what prompt we get before we really do our job using the agent. Yeah, so let's make a prompt. So I'm copying my Word file into GPT-5 and let's see as a result what comes. So prompt research agent for AI education landscape for project manager and leaders in IT. Context, okay. So I represent a leading professional education program. We are exploring expansion to AI education. Okay, goal is understanding market demand, quantify market size, okay, identify key players, both global and regional. Okay, yeah, that's little more enhancement has been done. Evaluate market size, signals, okay, forecast future demand, AI related job description, emerging key trends like prompt engineering for project managers, identify certification awareness, okay, micro credentials and all, and recommend an agent strategy. Data collection analysis expectation, you data range from 2024 to 25. I can update if I want, yeah. And we can say that compare top 5 provider to their program types. Yeah, now it is an example. I hope it will not deviate. Include graph or tables of the market size, report deliverable, executive summary, introduction, market overview. Great. Yeah, I think this is all good. Yeah, yeah, I can put it for research mode so we can automatically pull the fresh public data. I think I'm good. I don't look for optimization anymore. I can say I can do it and directly put it into the GPT agent. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so I change my mode. I go here and I say I want to do it agent mode and I put this here. Let's see. Okay, so agent tells that agent has understood what is the expectation. Now we can also watch what agent is doing and which can also help us in trusting or not trusting the result. Yeah, because it's a research which I am doing. And maybe the GPT research may not be acceptable to me. I may need to do some more modification to it. But I can get a feeling what is happening here, and probably that can build my confidence, or maybe make me little bit suspect that particular thing. So I see that it is basically focusing on searching a lot of information from the web. Yeah, that's something it is picking up. The problem with the web search is it brings up anybody's and everybody's blog, and may not be authentic enough. But still, let's see. We will have a references. Uh, Probably we can talk about that. Only take information from the domain authority this plus. Um, yeah, that could have been addition to the prompt, but I'm not sure how well they will follow it. Yeah, if that agent will follow it, even if I give that particular prompt in my uh, prompt. Yeah, though it is learning about 221 report, tail end gap report 2021. I said 2023, 24, but it's okay. I think it pulls the data from wherever it can get. So that's something is little already suspicious, but yes. And I see a lot of PMI blogs and other things are coming in. Those could be biased information because they have to promote the things in a particular manner. I rely more on the social signals and the job signals. Yeah, those are more reliable sources than somebody saying this is working. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so I wait for a while. Okay, so here we have something. So it worked for 12 minutes, and now we have a result coming out. So it is giving me some executive summary, and I can see some key findings: growth, workforce, and demand. So it is giving some number, 2.21.7 million project management jobs. I think it is picking from some documents from PMI maybe, assuming, okay, so there is giving a reference also, yeah, mission graduate, it is coming from US and Canada, assuming 20% of these professionals pursue AI related thing. That's a big assumption. Okay, that's a market sizing, accessing AI training option, generative AI overview from project managers, free course, IBM course, too much focus on generative AI only. Yeah, that's little bias. When I said AI skills, I was not that much focusing on generative AI skills, but looks like too much focus on generative AI was there in the reporting. Um, Competitive landscapes, establishing education provider, LinkedIn Learning. Okay, AI for project manager. I think because of generative AI, that whole direction got changed. Opportunity for Horizon Bridge, recognizing for this, so strong community engagement. So you can do it. Okay, great. Now, market growth and regional forecasts, some information, market size. There is a table for it. Project management jobs by 2027, estimated investing in training. So there is no, I'm not getting a foundation for that training. Assumption of 20% people will do it. And we can't think of having each country having same percentage. Anyway, average price per learner. Okay, that seems to be again possible. But yeah, it gives me a format. I can play with it. And this is the potential revenue number, market sizing it is giving to me. Okay. Competitor landscape, it is talking about free program from, yeah, even though PMI has a paid programs also, but somehow it only picked up the free program because of too much focus on generative AI only. So if I want to compare some programs, I need to probably give a specific words. AI project manager certification, AI seating. Okay, price spectrum, free to thing. Yeah, it is more focusing on free here, and prompt engineering for LLM proficiency, ethics, domain-specific AI adaptation, community discussion, low barrier entry, learner behavior, and this. Develop a tired AI education portfolio offering foundational awareness to the program. Okay, leverage community mentorship, partner with technology providers. and focus on Indian market while serving global, ensuring continuous thing. And roadmap could be start with a AI fundamental for project managers, maybe a webinar for 2 hours, and then a micro paid program for prompt engineering. And then I think prompt engineering is done. Yeah, nobody needs it anymore. We are in October 2025. But anyway, yeah. Now it is bringing up idea here, aligning the certification with PMI upcoming credential to maximize transferability. It is no more upcoming, it is already there. Yeah, but AI project management professional certification, it is giving a name for my program. I can start this program. Okay, investing in marketing and community engagement. And conclusion, this is something I can do. So can I just use this and go to my management as it is? Probably not. But does it give me some structure to start with? And then I need to do more conversation to find out what we should do actually. Maybe yes. Yeah. So that way, I think we can use the research. Uh, After doing this, I may become more specific. I may say, only focus on these URLs, these websites, and this is the mechanism of doing forecasting. But by doing few attempts, I think I can do market research and competition analysis and come up with the strategy for my AI program. But I won't just take it as it is. I definitely want to do some more work before I can finalize that should I do this particular program for my company. Yeah. So this was just a small demo and exploration, because in our safe POPM class also you are expected to know how as a product manager you can use various AI tools, generative AI tools, various market analysis, pattern analysis use cases. It is just not generating text alone. You are also expected to do uh, uh, some kind of signal, social signal, and other kind of analysis. And this is the one of the way we can do it using ChatGPT agent.